Recognize real when I write this. Never do it like this. Rap pack be the hypest. Goddamn, can you feel it? Hold up, motherfucker, let me kill it from the back like that. Got your back like chiropractic. Hit you with the gat like brat. Not never.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's Jesus here, back with another video. And today we have a couple of parts for the fit. And this is basically a follow-up video to the taillight install. So when I got the taillights for the car, I didn't have any LED reverse bulbs. So I went online and I ordered some from Lost Fit. They have some pretty good quality ones. This is my first time trying them out, so hopefully they're good. Shout out to my boy Oscar for hooking it up. I'll leave his Instagram in the description below, and I'll pop up his code right in the screen. So yeah, I got those, and I got the canvas LEDs. It's for the plate and the front lights that are by the headlights. But yeah, should be a pretty easy install. Now it's time to install the reverse bulb. I already took them apart basically, so I'm just gonna open these and install them. And here's the old light bulb. Do the same thing on the other side. I am also replacing the plate LEDs. So you pop it off and you just unclip it. I'm trying to do this with one hand. And there's the old one. Pop a new one in. Put the cover back on. Same thing with the other side. Next, I'm gonna pop the hood. The ones that I'll be putting here are those.
It goes this and it comes off. Then we grab a new one. This one is make sure that one will drop it.
You don't want to pop the hood. This basically just bolts up to here. I'm gonna remove the rubber seal. This comes off. And take the scoop and you just place it on there. Put the rubber seal back on. And there you go. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Why do you want it when you have the stock intake box? Well, I'm gonna do something about that later on. And yeah, she'll be fine. So that pretty much just wraps up this whole video. Thank you guys for watching, and again, shout out to Oscar. I'll leave his Instagram in the description below, and yeah, go check him out, and his code will be also in the description if you guys want to check out some light bulbs for your cars. Head over to lastfit.com.